Welcome TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to take a look what is schema. A schema is a logical container or namespace that holds database objects such as tables, views, stored procedures, function, and etc. So if you need to create the same table with the same name, it's not possible. So think about that. Let's say you have a sales department and then you have IT department and you want to keep the data for both of those departments in single database, TechDB. And what will happen if you will create let's say customer table for sales and customer table for IT? That's not going to be possible. That's where the schema comes in. You can create these different schemas and then put the same tables under that. Now it's also very beneficial, like let's say you have a sales schema and all of your objects will be under that sales schema, and you can give permission accordingly, and you have IT schema, and then you can create your all the objects in IT schema, and then you can give permission to your IT people. So let's go ahead and create these two schemas and take a look. Here if you go to the schemas tab, and you're gonna see this let me refresh, and then I will show you. As of now, we have seen that we have IT here actually already created, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop if I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and say drop schema, and that's a command we use to drop the schema, and this is in a TechDB. That's fine. And now this schema is dropped, and we can take a look. And now I'm gonna go ahead and create schemas. So to create schema is very easy. You will say create schema, and now sales, and then other one will be create schema IT. Okay, and now wait a second, and now we can go ahead and run this statement, and we are going to see two schemas created. Let's say create schema sales, that work, and create schema IT, that work. And now we are going to go to schemas, and they should be under this schema tab right there. Still it has taken some time. So now we have IT and sales schema right there. Now we can go ahead and create the object such as maybe I go to the data here, and now I go to the Synapse container, and in the Synapse container I have the files. So let's say I have an order file, and I want to create or customer file actually. Let's go to Parquet customer file, and I want to create this a new table, external table, and I'm gonna go under the sales, and then the same table I would like to do on the IT. Let's hit continue, and here we will be going to the TechDB. This is a serverless SQL pool, we can see already here, and then I'm going to say sales.customer, and that's it. You will run the script now, and you can see that when you create the table, you will be always creating with the sales.customer. Before that, we've been creating this with the dbo.customer. So it is going to create external file format, then it's going to create a data source, and then it's going to create a table. These all the objects already I have, but I'm going to go ahead and run the entire script. So it will be just fine, because it's checking if the object exists, it's not going to recreate. And you can see that now our sales customer is created. If I go back to the workspace, and here I refresh, and if I go right here and go to external tables, and now you can see that I have a sales customer. Before that I have DBO customer. Same way I can simply change this to the IT customer, and now it will create a table in the IT customer. Even it is pointing to same Parquet file. If I want to change to another file, I can do that. And now if I will go ahead and refresh, you see that I have two tables with the same name, customer, and their schema is different. So that's how you will kind of divide your objects into different categories. And if they have the same name, no problem, because you already have sales and IT in front of them. That's your schema. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.